Fuck CNN. Fuck CNN, they never cared about us, never see us afloat. They wanna see us drowning, that's a bold statement. I don't see you niggas, all I see is actors, bunch of cold cases. Dead bodies, bunch of cold faces. Baby, bring the Henny, we don't need no chaser. This ain't nothing but a demonstration. Boy, we innovative, just appreciate it. I'm a Houston native, ay, but I don't sip the muddy. I did back when I was a kid, but realized that that shit just wasn't for me. And I'ma go get the crown, cause that what my mama told me. Hey, that what the preacher said. I know you not counting on it. They wanna see a nigga dead, probably call the feds. If I told any of you niggas how we really got it. I'm just fuck, nigga, I don't wanna stand. Hate to see me getting fed, understand, I'm a fucking prophet. My next tape is a fucking problem. Y'all gon' hate me when I fucking drop it. Shit, y'all probably hate a nigga now, but that sound like a personal problem, and they gon' make me do it. Last night I fucked a bitch, she was a Buddhist. I told her that she need to go to church. She told me that I need to know my worth, and how we had the herbs since a nigga had a birth. That's right, fuck around, got drunk, hit the curve last night, getting thrown like every day. I'm the one that's chosen, there ain't much to say. Where the trill niggas never taking handouts. I was raised different, never put my hand out. You a joke, nigga, shows like stand up. I'm the GOAT, nigga, my shit's green and Henny, we don't need no chaser. This ain't nothing but a demonstration, boy, we innovative, just appreciate it. I'm a Houston native, ay, but I don't sip the muddy. I did back when I was a kid, but realized that that shit just wasn't for me. And I'ma go get the crown, cause that what my mama told me. Hey, that what the preacher said. I know you not counting on it. They wanna see a nigga dead, probably call the feds. If I told any of you niggas how we really got it. I'm just fuck, nigga, I don't wanna stand. Hate to see me getting fed, understand, I'm a fucking prophet. My next tape is a fucking problem.